Model, 65-plate Vauxhall Combo L1 Diesel 2000 1.3 CDTI 16-valve H1 van body, white, panel van mileage, 85,956 engine, 1,248 cc 3D transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Alternator needs replacing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Battery light on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, EU status, Euro 5 HPI, clear cap retail, £3,825. Click the link in the description for